It is located in the Coral Sea, off the coast of Queensland, Australia. The Great Barrier Reef is considered the most extensive in the world. With its 400 types of coral, 1,500 species of fish, and 4,000 varieties of mollusks. It offers an extraordinary variety and beauty show, as well as great scientific interest. Apart from marine species, more than 215 types of birds can be found, such as the white-bellied sea eagle and the roseate tern. It is estimated that 10% of the world's aquatic species live in the Great Barrier Reef.